What is up, YouTube? We're in my garage right now. There's my mom right there. We are going to do the big fireworks that explode in the air. We're gonna do that. My sister's right there, and my dad's gonna do it. So we're only gonna do just one, but we're doing this for you guys. So I hope you guys like this video. Happy 4th of July! Shoot, it's gonna. Oh my god! Dang! No, I'm going inside. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, dude, that was so loud! Dang! Look, the smoke is still there. Dang, Dad, that was so loud. Oh my god. I got that on YouTube. But we're still gonna do more. Hope you guys like this video. Subscribe. My dad's mostly gonna do it. We're all doing this for you guys. Wait, so what? Oh no, Dad, no, not that, Dad.
Get your
Look.
bags, Crane. We're going home.
If you guys know what these do, you shake them and you throw it. Is that what you do? You shaking it so you shake it and you swing it and throw it. But watch out for trees, cause it might catch on fire. But
You guys gonna do these or
I don't like those.
these right here?
What do those do?
These are sparklers.
Oh, they just have covers on them. So we're gonna do the sparklers.
Yeah, I think it was freaking loud.
I know, that was so loud. We still have, we have 7. We have 1,
Before
2,
we go
3,
seven,
4, 5, 6,
No.
7. No, we're all, wait, no.
That's it.
That's it.
What about those? They're gonna go bad. That was $30. That was $30 right there.
You wanted to go all out this year. And
Yeah.
we told you.
We're gonna be a giant. Okay, let's do these. Which one have some?
No, I'm not doing it.
No, you're gonna.
I'm
Yeah,
not.
you know
No,
what?
I'm the cameraman, so I have to do this for YouTube. I can't just do it and then do it.
Ah!
Oh shoot, Avandia, stop. Okay, guys, so it's gonna be kind of dark, but you guys will.
I kind of don't like those. I get scared whenever it goes. Choo.
You get. I'm. Those are the.
I'm doing sparklers.
Yeah, the sparklers are fun.
Trying to start it.
What do you mean trying to start it?
Light them up, Avandia.
I'm gonna burn your finger. I can't even see.
It's sprinkling right now. And my phone. I mean the camera. Oh, my phone camera. And it's also cold out here. Yeah, it's because of the rain. It's sprinkling and there's people walking right now.
No, not to me right now.
There's only 2 people walking. They're who did that loud noise? It's starting to rain.
Oh, you're a piece of shit. Lighting.
Dad, don't say that. This is a family-friendly show.
Sorry, this is rated R. YouTube.
No, it's not. It's okay. I cussed yesterday.
I cuss right now.
Oh yeah, I heard you. I heard you on the Snapchat. You're like, oh sh. I heard you. She said that on the Snapchat. She rewound it. She rewinded. She rewinded. No, watch out! There's a car coming. She rewinded. She rewinded, and you can. And you can hear her say, "Oh shoot! No, no.
What do you want to do? Hold on.
Oh shoot! These are loud."
Bro, it's gonna hit the tree.
Oh yeah, cause last year I remember.
Hi. Competition.
Oh my God! Look at that one.
That pulling ours out again. Competition. I don't think so.
The Avila family is better and stronger.
We'll see.
Otra No, nanes, Juan.
Bro, one more time. What? For the snap, bro. for the snap. I'm ready.
Okay, so my phone is seriously on 20%, and my phone is seriously wet.
I can get one out of any if you want.
My phone is seriously wet, like it's soaking wet. I maybe can't do more of this because it's about to die.
You should do a fountain?
Oh my god, do the fountains. I love. Okay, so my dad's gonna do them again. Swing it, Dad.
Was good.
Oh no!
Oh shit! Oh my god, honey. I think I got that.
Oh no! Oh no no no! Wait, what happened? Let me see. Let me see. Wait, Benji. Let me see.
On me.
My phone is stinking wet, guys. My dad's still doing these. I think there's. So we're soaking wet. I'm going in the garage. Dang. Oh my god. Oh, yep. They want competition. Okay, let's do it.
You guys are scared.
Alright, my
No.
phone is not waterproof, so we gotta go.
Yep, they want competition. Let's do this.
Let's do this.
Let's do this.
You want me to put a big one?
Hell yeah. Do it.
Okay, so that's it for today's video. Well, we're gonna do the fountain for the last one.
What was it?
Yeah.
That's why Mandy was like, en vez de darme auxilio, she moved out of the way.
I don't even know what happened.
Okay, so guys, we're gonna do the big ones again.
Yeah, I hit my back too.
Oh.
You're fine. Your hair is still there.
Yeah, remember, like,
Avandia, stop! Pull it back up. Pull it back up. Pull my pants up.
I'm gonna go on these.
She got me again. Did you get me this morning, right?
No, but do that small one first.
Oh, which one?
Those.
This is the thing.
Oh,
They're the same thing, Avandia.
damn, bro. All right, go again.
They're like, okay. So
All right,
this
now
is
go
the
for it,
last.
okay?
Yeah, this is the last one, and then we're gonna do the
And then
fountain.
We'll take those to El Paso and like, what's good?
Okay, so my dad's gonna. Where's Dad? Dad, where you at? Oh shoot, he's right there. He's lit, boys. Happy July 4th. Yee! Aye! Aye! Oh my.
The fire came down.
Guys, a fire came down.
Dad, this is mom. Bro, the tree's on fire.
No, it's not. You lied.
Dad, where you at, bro?
He's right
Come
there.
back before the police come. Bro, Forrest, why are you walking? Run! Correle!
Well, other people were doing it. Dad, let's do the fountain for the last one.
Did you see that, bro? Mom was like, this was mom.
Dad, let's do the fountain one. Which one is the fountain? Are those a fountain?
Does that go up high?
No, those are the ones that sparkle out. The like spark.
Lame, bro. I want it to go up.
no, ya, me está dando corazón.
Avandia. Mom,
Hi, son.
say hi to the vlog.
Hi. Hi, vlog.
Avandia, say hi to the vlog. Her Snapchat
Add
is
on the snap.
yeah.
NOHEMIAABILA.
My name here?
yeah. Does that make a sound? Shh, but don't make a sound. Shoot. Ready, guys? I don't know if you can see, but my dad's right there. Yeah, that's him right there. That's the firework right there. Wait, no, the fireworks are right there. See? Go inside of it. Why not coming mine? Oh, dang, that's not bad at all. I'm going closer. Oh, shoot, I hate this. Oh no, I hate this part.
Ya, cállense.
I guess we're not gonna have fun tonight. No. Oh, I got it. There's a frog. Look, that's right there. There's a frog. Right there.
I see it.
Oh, I knew it. I knew it goes again. Oh no, he's doing those bombs. Yeah, you better shut up.
Happy 4th of July.
Oh, happy birthday, Jenna.
Oh, nope, we're not doing that.
Happy 4th of July.
We still have 6 more of those humongous bombs.
Independence.
Of what? Let's see if she heard the preaching, because Pastor said.
Yeah, because she was like,
It's your class.
Okay, so we have the snakes. Oh shoot, wait, I'm not even recording. We still have the tanks, the bombs. We still have these. Dad, we haven't done these. Dad, we haven't did the smoke grenades, the big ones. So you're gonna in the arms.
When Pastor Carlos comes,
You can do it.
Y'all fake. Y'all so fake.
they're going to wait for us, Daddy.
Oh, yeah, huh? You gotta let me know.
Bad, nigga, bad. Nah, I'm playing.
Where's my wallet?
It's over there.
Possibly in my purse. I don't know how your phone's here, but.
Okay.
Oh, look. No, your caca.
Oh yeah, my caca. It's the snake, guys. Don't worry. It's not real poop. Don't worry. It's not real poop. This is fake. It's not real. But no, it's not, Vandia. Oh my gosh. Everything's fake. I mean, the fireworks are not fake, but this thing is fake right here. That's fake. The snakes. Comment down below if you guys like July the 4th. My dad's coming in. But yeah, we still have a lot more of these. And we still have more of those big ones. And I guess that's wrapping it up for today.
Oh, you can save it for New Year's.
Oh yeah, New Year's. But like we can save some, like we can save the big ones and these.
Yeah.
We still have 6 more.
Yeah, we got the bag still. I'm gonna leave that one outside because it's still on fire.
It is?
Sure.
Is it in the road or is it like on the sidewalk? Dad, look, there's a frog right there.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, so you guys got a bunch of fireworks.
Yeah,
We can stay out here if you want.
sure. We're gonna stay out here. We maybe do more fireworks, but we maybe do like small ones and sit down, like do small ones. But that's gonna wrap up for today's video. Dad. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys like, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell. See you guys next video. Bye.